Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl muuvvaaatayyy. I'm back with another video, period. Y'all already know what it's hitting for, what it's going the F on. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone out there. Hope you had a great Thanksgiving. And I hope you ate a lot, but didn't eat too much, but ate a lot. You get what I'm saying. No, but for real though, as y'all can tell from the title, y'all ready to see what's going on. We are doing a frontal wig install. I actually made this wig myself. I got the bundles from Hair Galleria. I got 28, 26, 24 bundles, and then my frontal is a 18-inch, and that is from Meltdown, but I'm not sure what my bundles were, because they have the bundles like sitting on a wall and everything like that. So I'm not sure where the bundles came from, but I'm pretty sure it's great. I think it's 9A Brazilian hair, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, so we're not even gonna get into that, because to be honest, the texture of the hair, well, I ain't gonna say the texture, the hair, like what kind it is, it really don't matter to me. I just like what I like and feel what I feel, and it's so good, so we're just gonna go from there. But anyways, before we get more into this video and the details, make sure you guys like, comment, and share with everyone that you know. Let them know that your girl's lit, okay, period. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. We are on the road to 1K, period. Y'all already know we got a cash prize for 500 subbies and 1K subbies, so y'all keep doing what y'all doing, period. Thank you to all my new subbies. I know I haven't been dropping lately, but your girl is in school, back on campus, so it's different, and then I'm at a big college, so it's very different. So I'm gonna get my schedule together for y'all, and we're gonna call it a day. We're gonna do what we gotta do. But anyways, y'all do that. If y'all wanna achieve this look, just stay tuned, and then I'm gonna explain to y'all how y'all do that, okay? Yeah, stay tuned. Your girl, okay, she's full, she's new, she just got made about an hour ago, okay guys, so I already did the ball cap method using this Eben lace bond adhesive spray, the extreme, I believe. And so now I'm just about to go ahead and cut this off of my face, and then we'll go from there. So next I'm going to take my Got To Be Glue Ultra Glued in a black bottle, and I'm going to put it at the front of my ball cap because those did not lay down with the spray, or it came up when I was cutting the ball cap. So I got to use this to kind of melt it down a little bit more, and then I'm just going to cut off the excess. And if there's any more excess to cut off later on, I'll do that as well. Take the blow dry and dry it, and now I'm going to use my alcohol, I'm going to use my alcohol with a towel, and I'm just going to wipe around the edge of my ball cap. Next, I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Fit Me in a color 334, and I'm just going to color my ball cap to make it blend with my skin, of course, like duh. Yeah, okay. So I'm going to take my Maybelline again, and I'm going to now color my lace, color the inside so it can go ahead and blend on with that ball cap and blend on with my skin, of course. Yeah, you know how it go. Girl, this took forever. I'm going to be back. Okay, I'm back. So now I'm going to measure the wig, but in order for me to do that precisely, I need to get this hair up on my face. I was finna curse, but I need to get this hair up on my face. So I'm gonna pin it up, and then now I can accurately go ahead and measure my hair from ear to ear. Once I do that, I'm going to cut the excess of what I think I should be able to cut. Now, I don't always get it the first go round. So this go round I was able to get it down enough and cut enough off, but when it came off I had to cut some more on the side. So just be accurate as much as you can. Try to like get it down as much as possible. That way you won't have that excess over your ear, because I used to be like, fuck it, you know, let it stay over my ear, like, you know, more hair, but the wig don't lay as flat, and then also it doesn't last long. So yeah, you got to go ahead and cut that off your ear, baby. Cut it off. And y'all can see in the back now that it's still over my ear in the back. But I never paid attention to that when I was putting it on, but whatever. So now I'm taking my bolt hole and I'm putting on my first layer of glue. The first layer of glue, I always do it like really, really thin. That way it can like just dry easier. And then I'll go in with a thicker layer the second time and the third time, the fourth time, fifth time, sixth time, how many times I do it good.
Detroit, used to live in Detroit. Big dope to the money, he was getting some coins. Wasn't shootouts with the law, but he lived in a palace. Bought me Alexander McQueen, he was keeping me stylish. Now that's real, real, real. Gun in my purse, bitch, I came dressed to kill. Who wanna go first? I had him pushing daffodils. I'm high as hell, I only took a half a pill. I'm on some dumb shit. By the way, what he
So after I put my second layer on, I'm going to let that air dry. I usually blow dry the first layer, but with my second layer, I let that air dry. And so while I'm letting that air dry, I'm just going to go ahead and put my lashes on, turn into a bad bitch. Period. Gotta do it. Yeah.
say, he can tell I ain't missing no meals. Come through and fuck him in my automobile. Let him eat it with his grills. He keep telling me to chill. He keep telling me it's real that he love my sex appeal. He said he don't like I'm bony. He wants something he can grab. So I pull up in the jag and I hit him with the jab. Like the
Girl, this goddamn wig kept falling off my head. Like, just stay on. You ain't going nowhere, bitch. The look, like, stay on. What is this? Throw that away. The fuck? Okay. So now I'm about to go ahead and put my third layer of glue on. This layer kind of be like in the middle, like not too thin, but not too thick like I normally do. But girl, I don't know what was going on with Bold and Hold, but Bold and Hold was ready to get bold and folded, bitch. I was finna fold that hoe. Like, why are you not coming out? Like, what the fuck? But anyways, yeah, the fuck. Okay, so now I'm finna take my popsicle stick or whatever because I feel like a popsicle stick really like smooths it out. Girl, I just found a little applicator that I be getting with my glue. I just found that shit, but I never knew what it was. So I use popsicle sticks, but yeah. So as y'all can see, I cut my lace into 3 pieces. I did the middle and I did the 2 sides. So the first step that I'm going to do is pull down my middle. I feel like that's really, really helpful. I don't know where I seen that from, but I found it to be really, really helpful to cut the lace in 3. That way you can accurately like lay it down as flat as possible, and then make sure that it's stretched out from ear to ear, and you don't have no bumps and bruises and everything like that. And then also I seen a video, don't know where I got it from, but the girl, she would put her wig down and then she would take her little comb and she would comb her wig when she's laying it down. And I did it and I'm like, oh my gosh, like I'm really, not only am I like spreading the glue, but I'm also like making sure that the hair does not stick in one spot. It's movable, it's not going to be dried and crusty and hard, like some of y'all wigs me in the front. Yeah, girl, I had to make sure I did it. And so once I be able to lay my wig down, I'm also able to see how much excess I need to cut off the ear. And so sometimes I can get it on the first round, sometimes I can't. I don't know why, but obviously as me watching this video and doing the voiceover, I could actually see that I need to cut a little bit more off, but I'm holding on to it for dear freaking life. But girl, I ended up cutting that shit off a couple installs later. But anyway, so yeah, calm it down, girl. Calm the hair back. And so once I get it all laid out, I come back with the even adhesive, and then I just spray what I feel like needs to be sprayed. Go ahead and tie that bad boy up and let it, sit, marinate, do what it gotta do. So I'm gonna go ahead and comb this hair down, baby. Comb it down. Rapunzel, let down your hair. Okay, so I'm combing my hair down or whatever, right? So what I'm about to do is take some mousse. What kind of mousse is this, girl? I was finna curl it, but I was like, nah, I ain't gonna curl it. But girl, why I still ended up curling the hair? But anyway, so I'm taking my mousse, girl, I forgot what it's, Lottie Body mousse. Okay, period. I remember my Lottie Body mousse. And then I'm just basically like putting it in the hair. And I was just going to wear it like that. Like just put it in the hair and keep it like the body wave. Because I love the body wave. Like I be hating to like distort the wave after I get my bundles or after I put it in. And I be mad when my stylist be wanting to curl this shit. Like, bitch, leave it body and wavy. Leave it. Okay, shit. So, girl, yeah, I thought that's what I was going to do, but I ended up curling it anyway. But anyway, so, yeah, let's go ahead and get into this lace. Girl, I had to take the little brightness down so y'all can actually see how I'm melting that hoe, how that bit blending and everything. Like, yeah, I had to turn the brightness down, girl. turn it down. Just leave it. Just leave it. Just leave it. All right, so for real. So now I'm just going ahead and cutting the lace. And then here I'm going to take some alcohol and I'm going to wipe around the edges. That way I can get the extra ball cap that is still hanging in the front, or whatever lace is, like, you know, not flat or like not glued down, or whatever, however you want to say it, whatever. So now I'm going to go ahead and continue to cut off that extra lace, cut off the extra ball cap. I then made me a little side part. If my if my lace is not all the way secure in the front, then I'll take some extra glue and I'll put that down in the front, however I go. And yeah, I do not have a hot comb, y'all. It broke. Like, it literally caught on fire in my hand. Like, I kid you not, I swear to God. Like, it didn't catch on fire. I'm not gonna say I swear to God. Don't strike me. But it didn't catch on fire, but it did, like, blow up, girl. Like, girl, it blew up. Like, it turned black. Like, it turned the cord black. It turned my hands black, like, because I was holding it. But girl, anyway, so I ain't had no hot comb, baby, so I had to make it do what it do with the hot curl. So when I had basically put the mousse on and did my part, and I tried to, you know, like, once I did my part, I had to do my bang or whatever, because, like, it looked a little raunchy. Once I did that, I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and curl the rest of the head. Like, but before I curled my hair, I went on and plucked it as much as I can. I'm not a good plucker. Like, I try my hardest to pluck, but I be tearing that lace up, so I don't be wanting to, especially when it's on my head. Like, I can pluck it easier on the wig stand, but for some reason, I don't think to do that before I install it. Like, I don't know. Don't judge me. But anyways, I'm not a great plucker, but I'm going to pluck the hell out this wig, baby. And guess what I did? Plucked 3 motherfucking holes in that lace. Yes, I did. But guess what? I'm still wearing it, and I am. So, yeah. So, girl, let's go ahead and curl. Curl, you gotta curl. You gotta swirl. You gotta turn that thing around and around. Yeah, curl. Okay, no, for real though, y'all. So just enjoy this little curl action period.
Big dope to the money, he was getting some coins. Wasn't shootouts with the law, but he lived in a palace. Bought me Alexander McQueen, he was keeping me stylish. Now that's real. Gun in my purse, bitch, I came dressed to kill. Who wanna go first? I had him pushing daffodils. I'm high as hell, I only took a half a pill. I'm on some dumb shit. By the way, what he say? He can tell I ain't missing no meals. Come through and fuck him in my automobile. Let him eat it with his grills. He keep telling me to chill. He keep telling me it's real that he love my sex appeal. He said he don't like I'm bony. He wants something he can grab. So I pull up in the jag and I hit him with the jab. Like dun. Look it. Look it.
Oh, I forgot to tell y'all that with my front, I curled it, and then just to make sure that my bangs stay curled and stay a banging, you know, I just went on and pin curled it and secured it with a little pin. I went and got dressed because I had somewhere to be. And then I always got to put my clips in. Like, ever since I bought my first set of clips, like, I just always got to have a good clip in my hair. So I love me a great clip. But yeah, so I took some mousse and I kind of like flattened the side part a little bit, combed it out, and then I was able to put my little clip in. Okay, pretty. Yes, that's what it say. And then I just went on and pulled my bangs down just so I can make sure that it curled how I want it to curl. When I combed it out, it fell exactly with the other hair pieces. Like, I just wanted to make sure everything was everything. So that's pretty much what I'm doing. And then I also had to I hate when my hair get inside my hoodie or inside my shirt. Like, I hate it. So I had to pull it out, comb it out, you know, twirl it, curl it, manipulate it, make it do what it gotta do. And, you know, one side didn't give me what I was hoping it was gonna give me, but it still came out. And so now I'm taking my roller brush and I'm just brushing my bang out. And I hate how frizzy it is, but cute. You think I look good, Mr. Armstrong? No, for real. So, y'all, this is the final look. Okay, period. Girl went put on her lippy, you know, by Super. That crawfish is crawfishing. I just had me some about 30 minutes ago, and them bitches was spicy. Just like how I look. Yeah, spicy. Yeah, but cute. Okay, Savage Fenty with the little shimmer. Okay, come through, bitch. I should have took a picture that night. Like, that was cute as fuck. But that's the final look. Make sure y'all like, comment, and share with everyone that you know and subscribe. See ya.